This video is for informational purposes only based on personal research and should not be considered as financial advice. It does not constitute any recommendation to buy, sell or hold any securities. Viewers are advised to conduct their own research.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू निफ्टी शॉर्ट टर्म डिस्कशन विद एसडी। मैं हूं एसडी शानंद दास, योर फ्रेंड एंड गाइड टू द फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स। सो टुडे आज हम लोग जो देखने वाले हैं उसको करंट सिचुएशन ऑफ द निफ्टी एंड एज ऑफ टुडे, दैट इज 17th of February 2026. And please note, for this analysis, I'm going to use my fountain of gold setup to get a better reading. But this is not recommendatory. Trading is in general high risk business, and majority of the beginners cannot make money, and even the pros cannot consistently make money. That is, SEBI is always warning, and this is nothing related to trade recommendations. But this is definitely my guidance to the current situation, what is going on in the overall market. So first, let me look it through the lens of, or we can directly do with the option master. So first, let's look at the daily chart. What I can understand from my chart is broadly market is somewhat rangish. If I look at the probability of projected ki consolidation, yani range bound rahega market, so it's about 71%, which is quite high. These levels are definitely something to take note of, which is 950, 967, and this is about 25,000 around. And this is about the midpoint, 25,500 of the range. So a very symmetric linear range. Currently, no particular bias. Looks like in the daily chart, more range bound probability. सिग्नल पे आ रहा है एक तरफ बुल्स पुट स्प्रेड, बियर कॉल स्प्रेड, विच इज नथिंग बट अ शॉर्ट आयरन कॉन्डोर, एंड signals majority are neutral. So looks like market एक pause phase में है to get back before bullish या bearish tone. And let's look at deep further short term. And current vibes here also range, slight win probability is in favor of the bulls. So थोड़ा एक bullish vibe अभी भी maintain हो रहा है, but market is getting into a very tight range. And इसके बाद once again the bullish pressure at one point may come up and try to test the upper ranges, which will go up to 26150, 26,150, 200 area. सो ओवरऑल एक रेंजिश मार्केट दिख रहा है फ्रेंड्स करंटली। एंड ऐसे मार्केट में जो लोग यूजुअली ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटेजी करते हैं, एंड द strategies should be more directional, neutral strategies. That's where I would like to play out and keep a regular check. So on the momentum, is it coming back? Where it's heading in our favor? So let me mark this. So this is, today is one expiry day, and tomorrow, our next expiry is on 24th of February. So between this, currently market is in the hands of both bull and the bear. And in the very short term, which is, I'll say, the 15-minute chart, we can witness some momentum loss in favor. Ki bear snake thirst, they succumb to downside from the resistance area of 750. ये जो resistance zone है, sorry, let me make it kind of this zone जो है, this zone से it is trying to take a resistance. So overall एक momentum loss तो clearly दिख रहा है in the very short term, which once again indicate कि एक range bound market ही expect कर रहा हूँ right now. सो आज का एक्सपायरी लुक्स लाइक बुलिश बायस थोड़ा है, बट ओवरऑल एक रेंजिश मार्केट ही दिख रहा है फ्रेंड्स। एंड इन द अपकमिंग सेशन, जैसे नेक्स्ट सेशन यूएस मार्केट इज डिक्लाइनिंग, सो इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन मे बी द डायरेक्शन will become more clear, but currently there is no directional bias. 2 hour, let's look at the strategies means ऑप्शन प्रीमियम मार्केट से क्या सिग्नल मुझे मिल रहा है. Bull call ladder, let's look at if the expiry is selected correct. Yes, overall it's correct. So bull call ladder, bull put spread, bear put ladder, bear call spread, looks like a rangish market. And rangy strategies are likely to be, seems to be the winner so far. And आज का expiry day में seems like they will be the winner. And in the upcoming sessions also, significant rangish push is there. Even if I apply, then the strategy meter becomes invalid in the daily chart. So I'll use it, the regular meter. In the daily chart also, if I look at the readings, it's very, very rangish. So rangy strategies are currently ruling the day. So that's all, friends. Thank you so much for attending this short discussion. And the video is available in my YouTube channel. Best wishes to all of you.